spit it out. Why did you drag me out here?
You weren't wrong, okay? At camp, I liked hanging out with you.
That's it? That's your truth bomb?
That kiss, it wasn't just you.
You made me think it was all in my head.
Because I didn't think I was like that.
Like me? You made my life hell for the past few months and you're telling me this now?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm trying to do better. I'm sorry. Could we be friends? I mean, I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to be friends with me either.
Faith. Maybe we could stop being enemies.